Welcome, I'm Sebastian, founder of Perfekta Unlimited, an unlimited graphic design subscription service that specializes in creating high-impact designs for various events, including nightclubs, bars, restaurants, festivals, and much more. Signing up to Perfekta is quick and easy. You can be up and running in under a minute. Simply start by uploading your brand documents, add your team members so they can brief on projects too, and start submitting requests with Perfekta. You'll have everything you need to streamline your creative process and promote events with great results. Each design request is delivered as quickly as a next business day. Feel free to submit as many jobs to the queue as you like, and we'll get started on them right away. When you submit a job, this is considered an active request. It is called an active request because it is the job or brief that is currently being worked on. Once that design is approved, we will move on to the next request. You can have one active request or two active requests at a time, depending on the plan that you have chosen. You're also entitled to request as many revisions as you need. Revisions are made on the same day, depending on what it is. Perfekta's platform is very easy to use. You can comment, leave reviews, and chat with your designers on your active request. After you have submitted your request, you will receive your first concept back within one business day. There are no contracts required for our service, and you may cancel your subscription at any time. We're dedicated to providing you with outstanding flyer designs and motion flyers that will help you sell out your events. With our commitment to quality and customer service, you can be confident that your next event will be a success. Start your free 7-day trial today and see the difference it makes in your events.